a truck carrying cardboard was suddenly stopped in the middle of the road. Turns out the stack of cardboard in the back had caught fire. Smoke billowed and the flames began to spread. But look who came to help, a cement truck driver who didn't hesitate to jump in. He's not just mixing cement today, he's mixing courage to help put out the fire. Thanks to quick action and a sense of solidarity, the fire was extinguished before it got worse. Salute to the cement truck driver, an unexpected hero on the road.